India has a lot of unique stays, which I came across through Insta Reels mainly, and I thought of making a series on the unique stays in India. This is the first episode of the series, and we are at the Wilderness Retreat in Hyderabad. It's actually situated in a lot of greenery, and they have certain units as accommodation. So this is the Ranthambore unit. This is my unit for the night. This is made of containers. So if you have seen the large containers that you board on the ship and used for transporting goods, those containers are sort of modified and made into beautiful stays. And every single unit over here is named after a national park. So this is Ranthambore. Right across I have Periyar, and then there are Bandipur, Kaziranga, Dandeli, and a lot many national parks, name of national park of units. The cost of this place starts from 4,500. It's 4,000 plus taxes, so almost 4,450, 4,480 something. So 4,500 for starters for Ranthambore and Bandipur and one more other stay. They have all similar structure, and hence the rate is the same. So this is the unit I'm staying in. It's called Ranthambore. All the houses here, as I said, is named on national parks of India. This is literally situated in greenery. Small pathway to enter, a small gate to, I don't know, fend off what, but looks beautiful. This is a sit out area where two people can easily sit. There is a switchboard for lights and fans. It really gets hot over here, so the fan is necessary. And this is us entering the house. And one thing which I forgot to show you is that this is the container. You can see, yeah, this is exactly the container in which the room is built. So yeah, when you enter, this is what you see. The bed, and you need box of mirror, AC, fan, you have the socket and switchboard. There used to be on that. And this is, I'm going to put here, he likes to focus on the paintings, small glass tool, and this is what he used to back things. Here we have the TV, a cupboard, a small cupboard to hold your clothes. This is the coffee making set. You get 2 bottles of water. So if you're 2 people, you only get 2 half bottles of water. And some of the sachets inside, especially for the milk, is outdated, is expired. So here you have the mini fridge. There's nothing inside, but you can keep anything to cool and use. Again, a small cabinet to keep whatever you want. This is how the key looks like, Ranthambore and the key. The remote, they have set-up box, and they also have Netflix and Amazon Prime, depending on if the membership has expired or not. Here is a small bathroom. This is the washing bowl, and they don't give, at least I didn't get the toothpaste and brush, but there's a soap dispenser, a small soap, commode, toilet paper, jet spray. Here again, plastic trees, some petals in a jar, small jar, and lot of odonil. I really don't know why, but yeah, there's a lot of odonil. This is the shower area, an exhaust fan, which is very necessary, a geyser for hot water, and the water is hot, and some toiletries, conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo, and a lot of odonil again. Again, some of this seemed to have expired, especially the conditioner. So yeah, this is how it is, the room, and this is very small, so you have to literally step sideways while walking, and yeah, back again. A small and compact area, but a beautiful place, especially the outside. A few important tips to be kept in mind. This place is basically in a godforsaken land. Not exactly, but it's far away from all the amenities, the shops, and restaurants and things like that. So once you're here, you're mostly dependent on the property. Okay, so your food, your drinks, your smokes and everything you have to rely on the people over here to get it, and things are costly over here. This is the menu card over here, which is beautifully made, and there's hardly anything below 300 rupees. Chicken biryani costs around 420 rupees. So things are costly, and yes, we do have insects roaming around like lizard, chameleon. There's a beautiful chameleon over here outside, and spiders, small spiders, lot of ants, small things, nothing big. I didn't encounter a snake yet, but yeah, so if you're alone, you might be scared a little bit, not much. Other thing, it's this place is a little away, not a little, far away from the station. The closest railway station to this is Lingampalli, which I think is 18 kilometers from the property, and then you have Begumpet, around 20 to 23 kilometers. Then Hyderabad, again the same, 23-24 kilometers. So Lingampalli is a safe bet, or else you can get down at Begumpet like I did, and take a metro to Raidurg, and from there take an Ola, which costs around 180-190 rupees for a rickshaw and 200 something for a car. So choice is yours. So you can do that, you can travel like that, or if you have a private vehicle, well and good. They do provide parking for every single unit. I mean, it's not big, but you can adjust and park your car. The units are far away from each other, so that's why, not that far away, but a little far away, so it gives you kind of a lot of space in between to park your cars, or there is some privacy in here, especially the single units like Ranthambore, and there's one more unit which is single. If you don't have your private vehicle, or if you don't get your Ola to come inside, you will have to walk. And this is the way to the resort. Though it seems like a jungle, walking into the jungle, this is how it is. So the reception is a little far from the entry gate. I would say around 100 to 200 meters. So if you have your Ola or your rickshaw, don't just let them drop you on the gate. Just tell them to take you a little ahead, and you will reach the reception. Breakfast is on the house. It comes with the room cost. Other thing which you can do is go-karting. Go-karting happens over here for around 1000 rupees. I don't know, I didn't do it yet, and I don't know how much time you get in the 1000 rupees, but it's flat 1000 rupees. And then you have treasure hunt, which is now closed, where you have to go around and find things and you kind of earn some prize. So right now it's not working. So, and apart from that, you get free cycles. So you can go to the reception, take a cycle and cycle wherever you want. I will be going and cycling and putting the video pretty soon. One time like this, make it pop like this, make it not like this, make it drop. So do come here to experience a unique stay, and thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe so that I can do much more of these trips and cover. All the places are a bit costly, and that's the only hesitating thing in my venture to do such videos. So do subscribe, share, and let other people know what's happening. I'll be covering many places which I feel unique, rather unknown or lesser known to the crowd, and I'll try and cover almost all of them in India. Definitely it'll take a long time, but let's see. So till then, take care, be safe, bye.